The internet is amazing. It's so easy to share anything you create with the entire world. Like Alice. She just opened an online store for her custom jewelry. But now she is wondering, can people find her site and mobile app on Google? With Search Console, Alice can make sure that Google finds her store and shows it for the correct search queries. Search Console also displays the errors that Google found when reading her site and app. Alice can check those errors and fix them so all her pages can appear in search results. Every time Alice creates a new product page, she can use Search Console to see which terms lead people to her Google search results pages. And she can use that data to discover the most successful pages and products in her store, so she can focus on that and increase traffic to her business. Also, Search Console regularly checks her site for errors and even sends an email alert if it finds any important issues. Now Alice can be sure that everything is okay with her site and app using Google Search Console.
For over 14 years, companies like Etsy, Zendesk, Dell, and hundreds of thousands more have used Crazy Egg to reduce shopping cart abandonment, maximize registrations, and increase subscriptions on their websites. Our growth marketing tools can help you build a better user experience and boost your bottom line in 3 ways. Crazy Egg snapshots are visual reports that show you where people are coming from, what they're seeing and using, where they're getting stuck, and how to fix it. Crazy Egg Recordings lets you dive deep into individual user behavior experiences by anonymously tracking visitors as they work their way through your site. And the Crazy Egg Editor helps you A/B test ideas and make changes directly to your website. No designers, no engineers, just you, your ideas, and instant gratification. Whether you're launching a new landing page or looking to optimize your website traffic, get started with a free trial of Crazy Egg and start raising your conversion rates today.
Here's the problem. You invested tons of time and money to create a great website so you could get new customers online. But nobody's coming to it because they can't find you on search engines. Instead, they're finding all your competitors. There they are, ranking at the top of the search results, getting all the customers you're trying to attract. Meanwhile, the beautiful website that you've built is getting no traffic, leads, or sales. How are you ever going to outrank your competitors? Easy. You use Ahrefs, the platform that shows you exactly why your competitors are ranking so high and what you need to do to outrank them. Ahrefs will show you all the keywords that are bringing traffic to your competitors, every website linking to your competitors and boosting their positions in search, every SEO mistake you're making on your own website and how to fix them, automatic reports that track your website's new backlinks and ranking improvements. Ahrefs takes the guesswork out of SEO. You will learn what exactly you need to do to outrank your competitors. Over 600,000 users all over the world have used Ahrefs to rank higher in search engines. Start your free 14-day trial and improve your SEO game.
Roughly 64% of all traffic generated comes from organic searches. Tapping into this huge amount of traffic starts with keyword analysis. Without the right keywords, you'll be stuck with little traffic and a low conversion rate. With Kwfinder, we'll reveal hundreds of potential keywords to rank for, global search volume for the keywords, as well as the difficulty to rank for the keywords, all with one search. There are other keyword tools out there, but they only reveal a few results, have a limited scope on the hidden gem keywords that semantically relate to your term, and don't work on all devices. With Kwfinder, you don't have to worry about any of these things. So let's say you're searching for NYC real estate. We can find hundreds of relevant keywords in seconds that our competitors are potentially missing. We can also determine the difficulty to rank for them, as well as the global search volume. Kwfinder works in all languages to provide extremely accurate geolocated results. Kwfinder is easy for anyone to use and delivers the in-depth results that the most well-known pros in the SEO industry are looking for. With Kwfinder, you'll be able to see behind the search engine queries and tap into thousands of search terms that your competitors are missing. Sign up for Kwfinder today and see why so many people are calling Kwfinder their new favorite keyword tool.
Audio Jungle.